Top 5 affordable CRMs for small businesses you never want to miss. These are the best and highly recommended for any business. Stop letting good leads slip through the cracks just because you think you can't afford a real CRM. Look, if you're a startup, a freelancer, or a small business owner, the last thing you need is a massive monthly bill. But the first thing you need is a system to track your customers. You need professional sales automation and lead management designed for a lead budget. And guess what? The best CRMs today offer powerful entry-level plans that are perfect for growth without breaking the bank. In this video, I'm handpicking the top 5 best affordable CRMs for small businesses. We're breaking down GoHighLevel, HubSpot, Keap, Capsule, and EngageBay to find the absolute best fit. From the all-in-one powerhouses to the easiest entry points, all designed to help you scale for less. 2. CRM number 1. HubSpot CRM. Starting with the giant that made free CRMs popular, HubSpot CRM. If your goal is massive scalability for free, HubSpot is the undisputed champion. The free tier is not a stripped-down trial. It's a permanent, robust tool. You get 1 million contacts and unlimited users, which is unheard of on this list. Why it's perfect for small biz? It gives you pipeline management, email tracking, meeting scheduling, and live chat, essentially giving your small team a complete sales toolkit from day one. You're leveraging enterprise technology without the price tag. The only catch is the branding on free assets, but for zero cost, it's the best foundation for a business that plans to grow into a monster. 3. CRM number 2. EngageBay. Next up, we have EngageBay. If you want a full marketing, sales, and service suite integrated, but find HubSpot's structure overwhelming, EngageBay is your streamlined alternative. Why it's perfect for small biz? EngageBay's value proposition is simplicity and unification. Their free plan gives you access to CRM plus tools from their marketing and service hubs, including email broadcasts and basic help desk ticketing, all linked together from the start. This unified view means you don't need 3 separate subscriptions. If you need an affordable, all-in-one tool to manage leads, send emails, and handle support queries, EngageBay is unmatched. 4. CRM number 3. Capsule CRM. Now let's talk simplicity with Capsule CRM. This is the platform designed for the professional who prioritizes ease of use and a beautiful, clean interface above all else. Why it's perfect for small biz? It's a joy to use. The free plan is fantastic for a solo professional or a very small team, offering 250 contacts and a super straightforward sales pipeline. Capsule keeps you laser-focused on your relationships without the feature bloat of marketing tools you might not use yet. Its strength is its simplicity and excellent integrations with tools like Gmail and Outlook, ensuring every customer interaction is logged automatically and painlessly. 4. CRM number 4. Keap, formerly Infusionsoft. Number 4 is Keap. While Keap is historically known for its powerful, complex marketing automation, its modern entry-level plans are designed specifically for small businesses that need to manage high-value clients and repetitive follow-up tasks. Keap shines when your business needs to automate communication and follow-up. It's the best tool on this list for building sophisticated sales funnels and lead nurturing campaigns quickly. It focuses on turning leads into clients with minimal human effort. If you have a few high-value services and need to make sure nothing falls through the cracks, Keap gives you the peace of mind that your follow-up is always on point. 5. CRM number 5. GoHighLevel. Rounding out our top 5 is GoHighLevel. If your goal is to be a marketing agency or to run your small business with a true customizable, all-in-one platform, GoHighLevel is a game changer. Why it's perfect for small biz? GoHighLevel is essentially a full suite that replaces your email marketing tool, your funnel builder, your social planner, and your basic CRM, all under one roof. It is priced for small businesses looking to consolidate multiple subscriptions. Plus, its white label capability means small agencies can rebrand it and sell it to their clients, making it a profit center. It is the most robust and customizable all-in-one system available at an accessible price point. So, which affordable CRM is the absolute best for your small business? CRM. Best for key value proposition. HubSpot. Free, massive scalability, unlimited users. The best free, long-term foundation for growth. EngageBay. Affordable all-in-one suite. Unified CRM, marketing, and service for one low price. Capsule. Solopreneurs who prioritize ease of use and a beautiful, clean interface. Easiest to use, clean interface, zero feature bloat. Keap. High-value client automation. Sophisticated lead funnels and guaranteed follow-up. GoHighLevel. All-in-one consolidation. Agencies. Replaces multiple tools, funnels, email, CRM for a flat fee. To get started with any of these powerful, affordable platforms, you don't need to go searching. I've dropped my recommended affiliate links for all 5 right down in the description below, so you can check out their free and starter plans. If you found this breakdown of the best affordable CRMs helpful and would like to support me, the best way to do that is to use those links in the description of this video when you sign up. It costs you nothing extra and helps keep these detailed reviews coming. Which of these top 5 CRMs are you going to try first to supercharge your small business? Let me know in the comments. Hit that like button, subscribe to Digital Tech Biz, and I'll catch you in the next one. Go automate your success. See you in the next video.